Day I came across the steady ground, beaches littered, it's a crime. I think it's 'cause there's too many folks. It wasn't like that back in the day that I was young, and the fields were flowery lands. The tides, they only brought wax and sand. 'Cause the seasons of the world are gonna change, 'cause the mountains and the sun are always strange. So get the people that you know and the fathers left behind. Together show the people how it's done. It's amusing that we have all these committees meet way out in distant cities. They think they know what people want, but all they got is jealous needs, and they are wrong. And they think they've earned a run